Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to today's video. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and in the video today, we're going to be talking further about M.A.P, which stands for MyAutomaticPay. Without further ado, allow me to log into my back office to show you around a little bit, and we're going to be predominantly focusing on traffic generation for today's video, okay, which is the most essential component of any home-based business. So once you gain access to your new system, you will also be able to log into your back office right here. And this is what you will be seeing. These will be your statistics. Once you start driving traffic to your M.A.P capture page, you will have your own statistics, which update every 24 hours. This helps you to serve as a guide so you can see how your marketing efforts are performing, okay? With regards to page views, total contacts, number of referrals, and total commissions earned. Now, as you can see, these are my stats for the last 24 hours. I've been able to earn $494 since yesterday, bringing me in 2 new team members for MyAutomaticPay. Every time you get a new sign up, you earn $247 paid directly to you. So you get to keep 100% of the commissions. Once you have your system successfully set up, where you're going to want to go is into the Get Traffic area. This will provide you with all the different traffic options that you need to see some great results and start your journey with M.A.P and start having these wonderful commissions coming into your system, okay? So there's lots of different options here, folks. We have direct response marketing, social media marketing, if you like that type and that aspect of marketing. If you don't, no worries. There's plenty of other options available if you're someone who just is not into social media for whatever reason. We've got solo ads, which I absolutely love, and that's how I've been also consistently building my M.A.P business since last year when M.A.P launched back in November of 2021. These work amazingly well, folks, okay? All of these resources inside of your M.A.P system have all been tested and proven to work. So there's really no need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to M.A.P. We have postcards, sales letters for those of you who like offline marketing. This is the time of year, folks. This is our direct mail order boom season, so timing could not be better. This is where you can go and get leads for your sales letters and your postcards through the Mailing Labels Center. Optional team rotator if you wish to set that up. We have drop cards if you like drop card marketing. An optional bridge page that you can consider utilizing. An 800 number that you can use and integrate into your different forms of marketing. A great strategy right here on how to make more 247 payments. This one works really well. I've been using it ever since I got started with M.A.P. We have an ongoing traffic co-op through the Home Business Advertiser magazine that I've been participating in as well. Then we also have a new bonus page and a new traffic page, which folks really are pulling in with great results, great conversions. And then we have a sales page update. So there's lots of different options for you to consider to get traffic and fresh eyeballs, targeted traffic to your M.A.P capture page, all right? So what I'm going to do is share with you the brand new traffic page, and I want you to listen to the new updated sales video, which is very, very exciting, folks, because this is truly going to help you to position yourself for the best results, okay? This is the new page right here, okay? And allow me to go ahead and push play and sit back, relax, and enjoy this presentation, and then I'll be right back with you, okay?
Now that you know about M.A.P, the one thing you're going to need to build your business is traffic. Wait, not that kind of traffic. This kind of traffic. Traffic to your website. You want the kind of traffic that will convert into sales for you. You want your payment section to look just like this one. Payments coming in hour after hour and even minute after minute. Within M.A.P, we have that type of traffic for you. Our team has discovered multiple ways to get people to look at your MAP capture page, and that's exactly what you need to build a huge bank account. Just as a reminder, you get 3 capture pages. You get the unlimited page, which is our original capture page. It's the one that built MAP in the early stages and still does very well today. You get the 741 page. This page tells prospects they can discover the #1 system for generating $741 a day by joining MAP. Capture page 3 is our video page. We have a powerful 1-minute video that gets over 60% of the people who see it to opt into it. Now, how do you get people to see these capture pages? Well, the options are almost unlimited. Here are just a few that are ready to go from our traffic section. With MAP, getting traffic is just a click of a few buttons. Just go to our Get Traffic section. You'll see we have social media, solo ad, postcards. Let's take a look at those. You have the MAP sales letter. We also offer mailing labels and even postage. You have a rotator where you can share all the leads with the people who come onto your team. We have drop cards, we have a bridge page. There's even an 800 number you can use to get people to your system. Also, as a reminder, MAP is a one-payment system. You won't have any monthly charges, so you can use that money to promote your program. So go ahead, look at the button down below, click that button, let's get you started, and we can't wait to help you build an income with MAP. Thanks for watching, and I'll be talking with you soon. Bye for now.
So there you have it, folks. This is super exciting. I wanted to share this amazing video with you today. And now, if you want to get more information, get the full presentation on how you can get started with MAP for only a $247 one-time and a $33 admin payment, click on my link below in the description of this video. You'll be redirected to my 741 capture page. Any questions, feel free to text or call me, and I'll be more than happy to speak to you live and direct and answer any additional questions you might have and help you to get started with MAP. Again, if you get started this month with me between now and the 30th of September as an extra bonus, one of my special bonuses being offered, I'm going to go ahead and purchase your very first traffic campaign for you to help you to jumpstart your results. I also have some other additional extra special bonuses awaiting you to have you well positioned so that you can be off to the races with your very own MyAutomaticPay system. So with that being said, folks, thank you so much for tuning in today, allowing me to continue to share this awesome program, folks, that put another $494 in my bank account since yesterday. It can do the same thing for you. It's all about traffic and lead generation. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.